Yo, this trade recap for July 25th. So this is the trade I caught in the AM session, 159 points on NQ for 7R. So let's break down this trade. So before the trade, going to the morning pre-market, I wanted to get longs to target this high. So as you can see, we swept this low and we had turtle soup right here at this low. So we swept sell side, this internal range liquidity, and then turtle soup. So my entry was right here. This is the entry I wanted. So once we close above this candle, I wanted price to come back down. As you can see, we didn't come back down, and then we just went straight towards the high. So once we took that high, I switched my bias from bullish to bearish because once we took out this high, we had turtle soup and SMT with ES because on NQ we took this high right here, but on ES we didn't. As you can see, this high was never taken out by this candle right here. So once we did that on NQ, we had the SMT turtle soup, and so that's when I knew that we were going to sell off. And this was the internal range liquidity. So my target was this 4 hour sell side liquidity. So this was my target, and then my entry was this 1 hour buy side liquidity sweep. So as you can see, we swept the high turtle soup, and look at the time. It happened at 9. So once we opened high, I expected us to sell off. So we opened high turtle soup, and then so once we closed below this order block, I waited for 9:30 to open. As you can see, right when we opened and came back to the order block, I entered, and then so I started taking off partials. My first partial was this low hanging fruit right here. So I took my partial here and then moved my stop to break even. So I let my runners run, and I took my second partial route right here. So this was my second partial. So this was my first partial, this swing low, and then my second partial was right here. And then my last two micros, I just let them run to the 4 hour sell side liquidity. And so as you can see, we took out internal range liquidity, and then we went straight to external range liquidity, which was the 4 hour sell side liquidity. And as you can see, that was the trade for today. Let me know if y'all have any questions in the comments. And I have the execution posted up on the shorts if y'all want to check that out.